The 2008 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, running boards, HomeLink garage door opener, front air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, automatic climate control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.